Oh, the 3K that I've been running on and off since summer. I ran it yesterday. I was 33 seconds over my goal, and today I hit the goal right on the second. Oh, my head is aching, my stomach is pumping, but I did it, and this is actually the first time I've gone this distance during the daytime, so it wasn't cold, it wasn't dark, and oh man, welcome to March.
What have I done? What have I done? Share the adventure, join all the fun.
Jag ska hem, ja.
Kommer du med den lilla kameran? Okay, what just happened?
We just saw Dylan Moran.
Who's that?
He's an Irish comedian and a fabulous comedian.
Irish as in British?
Irish as in Irish, not British.
Hard border?
No hard border. No hard Brexit.
Oh, they will have. Hard border to Ireland. Yes, so Colin called me this morning, or she texted me because people don't talk to each other anymore. And it's like, you want to come to this thing? And I'm like, what is that thing? And yeah, this thing, okay. And so that happened.
That happened. What do you think?
I loved it. Yeah. It's, we talked about it in intermission. It was like an evil Robin Williams.
An evil Robin Williams. Yeah, that's somewhat accurate, I would say.
Although Robin Williams could be pretty mean at times.
Yeah.
I am out by Stockholm Arlanda Airport, just by the landing strip, filming a video about how to get into Stockholm from the airport, and I thought, why not stop here? It's a beautiful place and just see the airplanes coming over my head. Yeah. The plane is coming! Oh my god!
Nej, det var inte redan.
After a hectic but fun day at the Google office, I am now heading over to my friends Thomas and Malin. Am I in the right one? No. Next building, to have dinner with them.
Here are you. Thank you for today.
What did we do today?
We have eaten, as always,
Oh, yeah.
hamburger
Hamburger.
and a semla.
And a semla.
What do you call it in?
It's called a semla. It doesn't have a. It doesn't
It's
have
a Swedish word.
Yeah, well, it's technically a German word semmel, and it comes from the Latin word semilia.
Of course, I knew that. I was just checking.
And a semen bun.
A semen bun, okay. I will leave that with Martin. Okay, tomorrow's mission.
Is to push the button. Push for the button.
Yes, he will push the button. You will understand in the future, right?
Maybe. Stay subscribed.
Push the button.
Actually, I'm sitting here editing almost 3 weeks later, and I have no idea what we meant with push the button. I have no idea. Where's Malin?
Malin. We already spoke about Malin. We was in the UK not that long ago.
I'm finished with my video for tomorrow.
Awesome.
So nice.
So
yes.
You want them back?
What?
You want them back?
Depends what you're gonna do.
No. Yeah.
It's okay, we can blur things out.
Yeah, buddy.
Alien.
Hello.
We talked about the loosening of threads.
Horse girls?
Horse girls and
Yeah.
gym dating.
Yeah.
That's all you need to know. We will not tell you anything.
Good talk.
Good talk. John Lundvik will represent Sweden with the song Too Late for Love. I am very proud to be sending a great song like that to Eurovision, because we need more happiness and joy right now. Here's a little clip of when it happened. Melanie baby.
Melodi nummer 10!
It's really early in the morning. We're heading down to Karlskrona. That's been a while, I know. We're going down to start sorting out the apartment because we sold it. Yeah. But it's early morning, and we're leaving a very, very cold winter Stockholm for what is hopefully a bit more springy south. Yes! Okay. Nej! Alright, so thousands of people have gathered here on the square. Most of them school kids who are striking from their classes, as are people and especially students all around the world on this day, 15th of March.
Det är ganska mycket folk här idag. Jag vill passa på att tacka alla som är här och alla som har hjälpt till och organiserat den här strejken.
I feel like I've hardly filmed anything in the last week when I've been sick, aside from obviously the manifestation on Friday. Buzz, look at the lights, yeah. Side note, but I'm almost past it now. And it's Friday, spring seems to be here, but it snowed just a few days ago, so you never know. I'm heading back to the parliament to join the Fridays for Future strike for at least a little bit during my break, and just to, you know, show support.
Och var är bomben? Det blå håller ni på med redan! Alla här inne!
What a fool! Alright, I've been in the studio for like an hour now. I filmed 41 videos. I filmed 41 videos! And this is probably one of the last videos I will film in the studio as we're moving offices. I know. Yes, I did a quiz earlier in March. Actually just last week. And it contained 41 videos where people, you know, push the right video at the end of the clip to see if they get it right. So it's a fun thing to do, but it takes forever to do. But I had fun. I power through. Now I'm gonna go home and eat ice cream. Alright, so this is the new exhibition here where you are prompted to jump around and re-experience all the stories from Astrid Lindgren. We jumped over the helveteskap. That's what it's actually called. Hey! Alright, we see people with food, so we're gonna go and experience the food and bring the food over to the horse.
Vi på Junebacken älskar att möjliggöra lek för barn och föräldrar.
videos för 11, 12, 13-åringar. För där finns visningarna. Men tror ni att annonsörerna finns där?
Nej.
We're in the south parts of Stockholm at a shopping mall, and Linda Marie, my good friend, and also one of the people I am partner manager for, is here doing a book signing, and you get happy in the heart when you see people recognize her and you understand that her book has had an impact on their lives. So, happiness.
Say hey, hello.
Good morning, it's the last day of March and I'm gonna go on a spontaneous little boat trip to the Finnish island of Åland, back and forth. I know.
Sail away, cross the water, set the pace, and discover